Okay, now that we've created a brand new Excel workbook, this is the screen that we are presented with. And everything you see within this screen is called the Excel interface. Now there's multiple sections of the Excel interface. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you a little walkthrough of what each section does and what they consist of. The first section we're going to be talking about is called the Quick Access Toolbar, which is located at the very top left corner of your screen. Now what this toolbar consists of is frequently used commands. And by default, we have autosave, save, undo, redo, and touch and mouse mode. Touch and mouse mode is actually really useful if you're working in Excel like on a tablet, because since the screen is smaller and using your fingers, sometimes it's hard to click all these commands that are very condensed together. So if we activate the touch mode, you can see how the commands are a lot more spread apart and it's just a little cleaner style. Now since we're working on a PC, I'm going to go back to mouse mode. Next, we're going to be talking about the Excel ribbon, which is located at the top of your screen and extends all the way across. Now within this ribbon are many different tabs, some that you may not see, such as the Developer tab and the Power Pivot tab, because we haven't activated them yet, but we'll get there later in the course. And within the tabs are command groups, and they are separated by these little lines. So you have the clipboard group, font group, alignment group, and so on. And within these groups are the command buttons for that group. So in the font group, we have the bold command, italicize command, underline command, and so on. And if we click this little arrow in the bottom right, this opens up the dialog launcher, which has even more commands related to the font group. But since the ribbon only has so much space, Microsoft did a good job at organizing and placing the most frequently used commands within these groups. And now next we're going to be talking about the formula bar, which is located between your ribbon and the cells of the worksheet. And this is where we're going to be entering formulas later in the course. And right to the left of it is called the name box, which shows the name of the active cell that you have selected. So right now it shows A1 because we've selected A1. Now if I select A2, now the name box shows A2. Now there's just one more quick tip I wanted to share with you, is that the ribbon can take up quite a bit of space. So if you double click on one of the tabs, it will minimize the ribbon. And this could actually happen to you accidentally and you're like, whoa, where did my ribbon go? All you have to do is just double click the tab and it's back to normal.